In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up slippage tolerance in UniSwap. Slippage tolerance is the maximum price movement you're willing to accept between the time you submit a trade and the time it's executed. Setting it correctly helps you avoid failed transactions on volatile pairs while protecting you from getting a worse price than expected. First, open your browser and go to appuniswap.org. When the app loads, look for the trade option and click it to open the swap interface. This is where you'll configure the tokens you want to exchange and prepare the trade before adjusting slippage. Start by choosing what you're selling. In the Sell section, select a token. Use the search field if needed and make sure you pick the exact token you intend to trade. After selecting, enter the amount you want to sell. You'll see a quote populate as UniSwap estimates what you'll receive. Next, set what you're buying. In the Buy section, select the token you want to receive. Again, confirm it's the correct one. Then enter the amount you want to receive or leave it as the quoted estimate based on what you're selling. The interface will keep both sides in sync so you can see the conversion. To set slippage tolerance, open the settings by clicking the small gear icon on the swap panel. This opens a menu with trade preferences. Find the max slippage option. This control determines how much price movement you'll allow before the trade will revert. You can choose Auto, which lets UniSwap pick a slippage value for you based on market conditions. Auto is convenient and often works well for active liquid pairs because it reduces the need to guess an acceptable range. It's a solid default if you're unsure where to start. If you prefer control, type in a percentage. Smaller numbers mean stricter protection, but a higher chance the transaction won't go through if the price moves. Larger numbers increase the likelihood of execution, but can expose you to worse pricing. For highly liquid tokens, many traders keep this relatively low. For more volatile or lower liquidity tokens, a higher tolerance may be necessary. Adjust thoughtfully and review the minimum received figure shown on the swap screen to understand your protection. Once your slippage is set, close the settings. With your sell and buy tokens selected, amounts entered, and slippage configured, your trade is ready to proceed. Take a final look at the details and you're all set to continue with confidence on UniSwap.